might scratch that. So since I already got y'all here, I did get my wife's window rain guards. So I'm gonna put them on there real fast before my battery die. Hopefully I picked the right one out. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Wrong side. We're gonna put that back in there. Okay. Wrong side. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. Right side. I ain't really gotta wipe it down because I just wiped it down not too long ago, so. And if you military, don't be looking at me like where your PC at, because I ain't got it on my head. That's why I stay so far from base. Well, look at that. Tell me that thing ain't going on so smooth. I ain't gonna hold you. I did have one in the back. I just put that thing right back up in there. And it's right here. Look at that. Boom. I'm gonna just do this side because I don't feel like taking the camera to the other side. Once I do this, you're gonna catch the drift of what to do with this. So, you know what I'm saying? Huh? And plug. I ain't gonna dump it on there like that. Make sure it's lined up with the window. I took my car to the dealer. I took mine off of there. I should have traded it. I should have went and took my old ones off and put them on here so I can get the new one. All right, that's that, man. See that? Window visor, straight from Amazon. I think it was Amazon or eBay, one of them. I'll probably try to find it and put it in the link. That's that, man. That thing look clean. Wait. Put it down just a little bit. Boom. Just like that, man. The 3M tape behind it. Stick that thing on there just right now. We gotta get that rear window spoiler, because I did rip that off of there too. After that, I don't know, man. That thing looking way better now. Let me see it from a distance. Yeah. That definitely look way better. Big difference. Autex window visor. Boy, I'm a sponsor. Boy, catch me. Yeah, man. That's it, man. Hope y'all like the video. Like the little install tutorial, little 2-minute tutorial or whatever. And I'll catch y'all on the other side.